Alrighty. Take me by the hand, don't you worry tonight. Your dad's as salty as they get, so he'll be fine, fine, fine. And I know he always seems to go, but I know that he loves you so. He'll be home, so don't you cry, you'll see his sails on the horizon soon. Keep on keeping on to rest your eyes, have a little faith, he'll be coming home to you. Just one more trip around the moon. Look out every window, track the stars in every sky. Steal the compass from his desk and don't count his goodbyes. You're such a worrywart, I know, 'cause I'm one too. But you'll grow up with some big fat pride and lots of crap to prove. He'll be home, so don't you cry, you'll see his sails on the horizon soon. Keep on keeping on to rest your eyes, have a little faith, he'll be coming home to you. Just one more trip around the moon. La da 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 da. It doesn't get easier to send him to the water. No matter who you are, you'll always be a sailor's daughter. And don't you forget, 'cause that's why he's coming home. All these years gone by and still somehow I'd never known. You've been running since the day you learned to walk, and you've been singing since the day you learned to rock and roll. Oh, you'll forgive the man who worries you tonight, 'cause his hugs smell like the ocean and his eyes just shine so bright. He'll be home, so don't you cry, you'll see his sails on the horizon soon. Keep on keeping on to rest your eyes, have a little faith, he'll be coming home to you. Just one more trip around the moon. Thanks. Alrighty, I guess since Kyle did two, like I'll do two too, just because I don't want to feel left out, guys. Okay, this is a song I wrote last year, and yep, hope you like it. Okay, might be a little bit quieter. Can you hear that? Cool, okay. Hey Apple, do you remember the day you learned my name? Were you running like you always do, and was I chasing after you? Did you think about me that night as you fell asleep? Did you smile when you saw my face? And did you know that everything had changed? One of these days, I'm gonna leave this town. I'll go off to somewhere, but when no one's around, I'll remember you. Yeah, I'll remember you. Hey, 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 apple, come and catch me if you can. Hey, 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 apple, come and catch me if you can. Well, this town's pretty itty-bitty, but the stars don't shine as bright in the city. And how can anybody live so far from the sea? I guess I'll leave the pirate's life. I guess the ground can find my feet. But someday, when I'm somewhere missing you, I hope you're missing me too. Hey, apple, do you remember the raccoons on a park bench and traffic lights that never change? The rose you gave me, well, I've still got it today. Hey, 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 apple, come and catch me if you can. Hey, hey, hey,